The unboxing files. Here we capture some of the unboxing moments of the products and consignments from our esteemed sellers all over India. We have selected few of the fresh arrivals to showcase for today's unboxing files. Watch completely for some exciting new arrivals at the end.
Prada Vitello Dano Hobo Bag. Gucci Green Leather Faux Pearl Stud Padlock Small Shoulder Bag.
Saint Laurent Open Pumps in Patent Leather. Louis Vuitton Coral EPI Leather Neverfull in Bag.
Valentino Garvani Untitled Open Sneaker.
Luxepolis, India's pioneer and #1 luxury marketplace since inception in 2014. Only Luxepolis gives you access to over 20 million reach every quarter, based on Instagram and SEMrush web traffic company data. 27 lakhs is how much our top 10% sellers earned in 2023-24. 2 lakh rupees is how much each of our sellers earned on average last year. Over 47,000 happy sellers across India. It's quick and easy to sell. Most items sell in less than 3 months. Pan-India free pickups. Contact Luxepolis Seller Concierge today. Contact Luxepolis WhatsApp Concierge now.